Like Santa's elves, we here at Crafted Catastrophes are hard at work this Christmas season. While most people are wrapping presents, we're wrapping our heads around failed prints, clogged nozzles, and the occasional why did that even happen moment. The printers don't stop just because the holidays are here, and neither do we. This year has been all about learning, experimenting, and turning small catastrophes into finished creations. From dialing in settings and testing new filaments, to pushing our printers just a little further than we probably should. It's all part of the process. And the good news is, we've got some fun and hopefully helpful videos coming up in the new year. We'll be sharing more print projects, troubleshooting tips, upgrades, reviews, and behind-the-scenes looks at what actually goes on when things don't go as planned. Because let's be honest, 3D printing isn't always perfect, but that's half the fun. If you're into making things, breaking things, and learning along the way, you're in the right place. So if you don't want to miss out on what's coming up next, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out and lets us keep creating more content for the community. Thanks for watching, happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next print.